Going on, Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to host a watch party on Facebook and make anywhere from $50 to $100 a day. Alright, so if you're super excited to learn exactly how to do that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel, my friend. So let's get right into it, guys. As you can see, the results, they're up on the page. Now, the last time I did a video showcasing my commissions for this particular opportunity, which was about a day or two ago, I was at $1,366.90. So today I have made 50 bucks. Okay, so this is what this is from me. These are my earnings, and then these are the earnings that my team have generated. So if we were to take the $1,413.90 minus the $1,366.90, that would give you 47, and this was at 70. So if we add the 3, that's $50 for the day. Okay. All right. So that's 50, and then 2 days ago when I did that video, right, I can't backtrack. As you can see here, it only allows me to look at the day. I can't look at day by day. But 2 days ago, right, at the time that you're watching this video, I made 100 bucks in a day because I made income, and then my team also made income. So that put me over 100 bucks for that day 2 days ago. All right, so there's the result, so you can see that it's possible. I've made money today, and my numbers continue to grow, and most of all, most importantly, my team is making money. So that's what I'm super excited about. Now let's get into how to host a watch party on Facebook and actually make money from it. All right, so let's get these results out of the way. Now we're over here on Facebook, guys, and this is real simple. This is not going to take long at all. I just want to break down the strategy that I'm using and my team is using to generate income. All right, there we go. Click here. This is the first thing you want to do, step by step. You can do this with me if you want to. Go ahead and go on Facebook and do this with me so you get it. All right, so you see right here, you want to click here, and then you're going to see these 3 dots right here. You want to click on the 3 dots. All right, so you see all these different options down here. You're just going to go right here where it says watch party. You're going to click on it, and then it's going to pull this screen up here. Okay, so to add a video to the watch party, you're going to click add a video. Now you see there's 6 different options you can use. You can search a video caption. Sorry, you can search a video caption, like whoever the creator of the video, they put their caption up there. If you know that exact caption, you can just put that caption in here and it'll find the video you need. Or you can do videos that you've already watched. So if you watch some videos and you want to add them in a watch party, maybe it's something related to your business, or maybe it's like your upline and you want to use the video, you can do that as well. Your group, whenever it populates. Just a moment, guys. Man, that is really acting slow right now. That is really acting slow. All right, so that one's taking a long time. Well, so what I'll do is I'll just explain them. So you can either type the search in the caption. You could do watch videos you've already watched. You could do videos in groups. You can also do live videos. So let's say, for instance, someone is live. I can literally, like right here, these people are live. If I wanted to use this in a watch party, I could use this. Now, I'll talk about that strategy a little bit later because I actually use that to when I'm going live on my regular page. I use that to boost the views. So one thing you should understand is that when people see that there are a lot of people watching you at one time, that attracts them to come see what's going on, right? So that's just a little tip I want to give you. All right, so this is how I do it. I save my videos right here on Facebook, the little option they give you to save. I save it. After I do my live video, I then use the same caption and I save it, and I go over to a group that has over 300,000 people in it, and then I start a watch party. And I'm actually going to start a watch party while we're right here on this live. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and exit this. Now I'm going to go over to my page, and I'm going to use one of the captions I've already done. And I'm actually just going to let it run right after that. I'm not going to stop it, while this video is going on. I'm just going to let it run until it finishes. but it won't be for the entire time of this video. Just want to let you know that. All right, so let's find a caption that I can use that I've done a live video on, and then we'll go from there. All right, so this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to use this caption right here because, you know, it's simpler that way because I already got it laid out in a call to action format. So it just makes it easy with the captions I create. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to home, and I'm going to go over to groups. Well, matter of fact, I know which group I want to put it in. So I'm going to put it in the group that has over 300,000 people in it. All right, so here we go. Advertise your business or page. As you can see, look at the number right there. Over 300, almost 350,000 members in here. So this is going to get a lot of traffic. Trust me, right? Every single day. I do this 1 to 2 times per day. I try to go live every single day. If I miss a live, I would have had to been super busy, but I really don't miss them, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to click in here. I'm going to find the watch party, and I'm going to put my caption, boom, just like that, right? Then I'm going to add a video. I'm going to add the video that you just saw, which was this, and I'm going to hit add to queue. Now that video is in the queue, and as soon as I hit post or share, it's going to post that in there, and it's going to start the watch party. Watch it go. All right, so boom, at this point, I got my caption, I got my call to action, learn more, call my number. That's what I do. And then boom, post. Your watch party is about to begin. Boom, it's about to post in the group in just a moment. All right, boom, there it is. It's about to start playing. As you can see, so I'm going to go ahead and mute. But this is how it will look, guys. So if you do your video sideways, then of course it'll show up differently. But I do mine straight up and down up on Facebook. So, you know, I just do it this way. So as it's playing, you're going to see people start to show up and watch your video. Watch this, guys. Just watch down here at the bottom. That's what I want you to pay attention to. All right, so we'll give it a few minutes. I know there's going to be some people that hop on. Usually sometimes it take a while. Sometimes, there they go right there, guys. Already got 2 people on there, and they're watching. And there's going to be more and more and more people. Look at this, guys. You see it's filling up, right? More and more people, they're going to start to watch you. And what I've seen, guys, is because I do this consistently every day, just keep looking down there, guys. Because I do this consistently every single day, every time I do a live, these people, even though there's over 340,000 people in this group, they're getting used to me. Because I don't just put do watch parties that just pitch my business. I do watch parties that provide value. Then I provide a call to action. But in each and every one of my live videos, I give a call to action to get something. Whether it's to give my free cheat sheet, or it's to give my free course, or it's to provide a service to a business, which I know they need, because as a business owner, you need eyeballs on your business. And most of the tools that I provide, right, they solve that problem, right? So that's what I do when I do watch parties, guys. So as you can see right now, it looks like I'm looking at something. Let's actually get into that strategy. So something else that I do is I have my phone, which is what's looking at me in the camera, as you can see right there. And then you see me looking off to the side. What I'm doing, guys, is I'm live, but I'm also running a watch party while I'm live. So what that does is I put it in this group, or I put it in the other group that has over 100,000 people in it. And then while that's happening, my live numbers are starting to go up. I think for this particular live, I had about 30 to 40 people watching me at one time, right? Now, what that does is it attracts people to come see what's going on, right? They're like, man, 30 to 40 people, 50 people watching him at one time. Look at this, guys. Somebody's hitting the like button. I don't even know half of these people in here, but someone is hitting the like button on my stuff right now, guys, while we're live, right? So, but back to what I was talking about. On your personal profile, when I go live, and I'm live on my phone, and then I do a watch party on the computer, that boosts up my numbers. So when people that are on my profile, they're like, man, what is going on over there? Let me go check it out. When they check it out, and they've never really checked out my stuff before, that's somebody new that I'm going to provide value to, and they're going to continue to watch me. So it's a strategy behind all of it, because even the people that you see here in this group, some of those people hit the follow button. Just yesterday, I got about 6 followers. Just yesterday, that's not a lot of followers, but just to get that in one single day because somebody watched a watch party from me, right? That's powerful, guys. And there's so much power in these watch parties. If you're not using them, guys, you need to do watch parties. They're real simple, right? Create your live video or use your sponsors or your leader, use their video, but just make sure, they're saying in the video to get back to the person that showed this to you, right? Because that's what I do for my team, right? In every one of my live videos, I say, hey, if somebody shared this with you, definitely reach back out to them. I'm all about my team, all right? So that's how you host a watch party on Facebook. Hopefully you got some value from this, and hopefully you're going to start using watch parties. These things are powerful, and that's literally how I was able to make $50 to $100 a day. On top of that, I have the conversion mechanism on the back end, because once these people reach out to you, you have to understand how to make a connection and how to solve their problem. That's the only way you're ever going to make money in this industry, plain and simple. All right. So with that being said, as I stated, hopefully you got some value. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tick that bell icon to be notified. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get off this video. But before I do, go ahead and click that link in the description if you want to know how to build a targeted list of people right on your page, a targeted list that's literally anything that you put out there to them, they're going to respond to it the way that you want it to happen. All right? So with that being said, guys, click that link in the description, and I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Peace!